Tiger Brokers has recently partnered with Wise.com to come out with this Tiger Boss debit card, the first ever card to reward you with fractional shares when you spend money. This essentially transcends into a whole new concept beyond the usual point system or the cashback system. So, is this a card worth subscribing to? What are the key features you should know? Follow me as I do a quick review on this new debit card and the campaign details. Let's go. First of all, the main highlight of the Tiger Boss card is, of course, the ability to earn fractional shares. So let me address this elephant in the room. So how does it work? It's very simple, alright? So users enjoy 1% cashback in Tesla fractional shares for each eligible transaction. For example, if you spend $100, it will net you $1 in Tesla shares, which is immediately accrued without any expiry date or lockup period. On top of the Tesla fractional shares, users now can receive a $5 cash reward upon completing the first eligible transaction, limited to the first 10,000 successful ones. Right now, Tiger Boss is very nice to offer another $5 for my readers. So if you click on the link down below in the description box, you can get $10 cash reward for doing the same purchase. You can also get another $5 for every successful referrer, with the chance to win $888 for every 3 successful referrers. All these promotions will run from 22nd February to 13 May 2024, of which the selection of fractional shares or any promotional campaign details, right, will change over time. So you should definitely look out for it. Now, let's dive into the other key features of the Tiger Boss card that stand out to me. First of all, I like how there's no subscription fees annually, right? And we are offered competitive mid-market exchange rates for international transactions because Tiger Brokers has partnered with Wise.com. Meaning, you can take this card, this Tiger Boss card, and use it whenever you travel overseas. No need to be concerned of the credit card spending limit or certain credit card category restriction and whatsoever. But what if you lose your card overseas? No worries on this front because Tiger Brokers also offer the ability to freeze, okay, to lock your card instantly. And the transaction notifications also provide an additional layer of security. For any queries or issues that you may have, you can also reach out to them by phone, email, and even the online chat. Next up, the whole application process is super fast and seamless. After you register the card and upon approval, your digital card is activated instantly and you can view your card details directly on the app itself. Now let me walk you through the few steps on how to apply for the Tiger Boss card. 1. Visit the profile page at the bottom right of the Tiger Trade app. Step number 2. Click on the debit card icon. Confirm your address and then you can complete the card application process. That's all it takes. And you will get a physical card as well as a digital virtual card at the same time. You can choose to start spending using your digital card instantly by adding it to popular e-wallets like Google Pay, Apple Pay, or even Grab Pay, okay? And then topping up some cash inside the debit card itself. The physical card will come very fast. Mine came in less than 3 days, and this is how it looks like. Okay, very nice, very slick, and it's yellow. You can't possibly miss it. Okay, the final verdict is the Tiger Boss card worth it. When you consider that there's no spending limits, the ability to invest when you spend at the same time, I do feel that the card is a good addition for tech savvy consumers and especially those new to investing. Personally, I like how easy it is to integrate this kind of a dollar cost averaging mindset or the concept into your everyday spending. Simply put, when you channel your current spending into investing for the future, right, it entices you to, build your own wealth instead of getting the usual points or cashback where you will tend to spend the money again. So all in all, there's no harm in signing up for the Tiger Boss debit card since there's no annual fees involved and you can even show off to your friends that you are investing for your future. Alright, finally, don't forget to grab the exclusive $10 cash reward by just making one eligible transaction. by clicking on the link down below in the description box. Again, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you never miss another update. Next up, don't forget to check out this video over here if you have another few minutes to spare. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching and ciao.